Hello, welcome back all of you in Biology Pushkar, and I am Pankaj Kumar Sinha. Today's lecture we will discuss about centrosome and centriole. So let's start the topic. Okay, so first of all we explain the diagram. Triplet microtubule. This one A, then B and C. Okay. Primary fiber, and this one secondary fiber. Central hub. Okay, or it is also called radial spoke. Okay, so we labeled the diagram of centriole. It is TS of centriole, transverse section of centriole. Okay, so here triplet microtubule, primary fiber, Y thickening, okay. This spot like structure is X thickening, and here the central hub present. Okay, clear. So here first of all we will discuss about centrioles or centrosome. Centriole or centrosome discovered by Benden, Boveri. Okay, centriole discovered by Benden, Boveri. Okay, centrosome absent in most plant cells. Okay, Next, centriole just located located just outside the nucleus at right angle 90 degree. Okay, so here suppose it is a cell, this one nucleus, and centriole just at right angle, present at right angle 90 degree. Okay, so here it is centriole, this one also centriole. Okay, so present at right angle 90 degree. What is centrosphere? Cytoplasm which surround the centriole. Cytoplasm will surround the centriole, called centrosphere. Okay, so if it is a centriole, here cytoplasm also present. Okay, so cytoplasm surround the centriole, called centrosphere. Okay, next, what is macule? Or it is also called crown. Satellite. So what mean it, macules, crown, satellite? Okay, so here define the macule, crown, satellite. Each centriole surround a centriolar mass called macule. Okay, pericentriolar mass called macule. So what is macule? So here indicate or we draw the macules. Pericentriolar mass. Okay, so here this one is macule or crown. Okay, clear? Next, Centriole is basically membraneless structure. So here centrioles are membraneless and shows cart wheel structure. Here we can see the diagram of centriole looks like cart wheel. Okay, so centriole shows cart wheel structure. Okay, next centriole contain 9 plus 0 triplet of tubulin. Okay, so here we count, suppose if it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 9 triplet tubulin present, and 0 contain 9 plus 0 triplet tubulin. Okay, so this information is very important for competitive examination. Okay, 9 plus 0 triplet of tubulin, and it shows cart wheel structure. Clear? Next, replication of centriole in S phase of cell cycle. Okay, S phase of cell cycle. Clear? Next, centrioles are self-replicating unit. Next, Centrosphere and centriole are collectively called centrosome. Okay, next, function of centriole. Function of centriole. Okay, so first function, centriole initiate the cell division cell division. Okay, second, decide the plane of division. Okay, so here suppose if it is centriole, it form spindle fiber or helps in formation of spindle fiber. Okay, so it helps in cell division and decide the plane of division. Okay, in this video we have discussed centrosome, centriole and structure of centrioles, structure of centrosome, functions of centriole. Okay, so we will discuss next topic in the next video. Okay, thank you.